Hi there and welcome to BidUp. I thought I'd do a quick video today just to show you how to find BidUp in the first instance and then sign up to create your free account, and then also how to set up your first search and your free email alerts as well. So the very first thing you'll need to do is head over to bid-up.com and that'll bring you through to the BidUp homepage. And then from here we head up to sign up, where you can put your personal details in and create your first or your only free account. I've pre-filled some information here just so you can see how it works, but obviously name, email address, telephone number, a few bits on your company as well, and you can also include some specific information on the services that you provide here. That's an optional one, but you can do that if you'd like to. It just helps with your searching later on. And then finally, just your password and your consent to the privacy policy and that kind of thing. Once you've done that, you'll then receive an email through to your email account. You'll verify your email address there. Once you've done that, you'll then be able to log in. I will log in with my personal account, and it's as simple as that. You're brought straight through to the BidUp dashboard, and you can see here it's fairly simple, fairly straightforward. There's a few various sections that you might be interested in. This is where you can monitor your alerts and favorites. You can do your basic searches up at the top as well, and a few statistics and things, a few of your latest opportunities down at the bottom as well. So to run your first search, we will go up here to the search bar and we will put construction as our service. We can then create any filters that we need in our particular search that we would like. For example, we can turn to newest first instead of most relevant, and we can select only available live opportunities. That'll then present any opportunity with construction somewhere in the notice, and it'll give us the most recent ones first. That's a very simple way to how to search, and you can press quick look here to view specific information about the tender at a glance, or you can obviously click it to open it in a new page and read all the information that you need about this particular opportunity. If you'd like to save the search as an alert, basically you set all your criteria as you have them, and then all you have to do is click Save Alert. You can then name your alert, construction tenders, set up the alert, close, and you'll now receive daily emails on new construction tenders that fit the criteria that you selected. You can also head back to the dashboard and you can see that alert is now within your My Alerts section. Hope that helps and hope that gets you started with BidUp.